Hi guys!
Hi!
And today's the first day of what? Cordelia does it all. And what do we have here, Cordelia? But first, before we get it going, what is today for you?
My birthday.
Ooh, a great day to start a channel. A birthday. And we have a secret surprise on your first day of the channel. What do you think's in here? What is your channel? What is your channel about? What are some things you're gonna do?
Game. Singing.
Okay. Something that you maybe sounds like steak up. Makeup. Well, let's see if it maybe. I don't know if it is. I don't know. We'll have to see what is in here for Cordelia does it all. Opening the box. Well, let's see. What does it say?
It says, I don't know what this thing
Well, what is it? Let's take it out. Let's take it out.
Welcome.
We're doing an unboxing. Unboxing. Unboxing.
Wait, is that a box inside of a box?
It's a box inside of a box.
Yep, a box inside
Okay, we get rid of that one.
A box inside of a box. I think there's a box inside of this box.
Whoa, there's, ooh. You have to show them, man. Okay, just keep it to yourself. Okay, what is that? Look kind of fancy. What does it say right here at the top? What does it say at the top? Read this to them.
Welcome.
Welcome what?
Something
Read.
to beautiful
Possibilities. Welcome to beautiful possibilities. Okay, and then over here it says what?
Unique.
Unique. I wonder what that means.
Take out the Y and the O, and that's how you spell it.
But I think there's a reason. There's a reason why it's called unique, but we'll talk about that later. Right now, let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. I don't know. Well, we gotta, let's see that. Make sure to pull that way, but let's go out. Lay it down here. Let's see. Let's do some looking around. It's a pretty fancy box.
Yeah.
Pretty fancy. Let's see. Oh, maybe. Oh, I think it slides out.
A purse.
Ooh, let's see. Hold on.
What's inside the purse?
Let's see what's inside your unique bag here.
I think it's makeup.
You think so? Well, take it out there, sister.
I can put it here.
You can do it. You can do it. All right.
Welcome to
Let's take it out, sweetie. All right. You can put that right here. I'm gonna put this over here.
Okay,
Unique bag.
Okay, there's a strap right here.
What's in there?
Okay, here we go. Unique touch mineral liquid foundation.
Ooh, a foundation. You know what those are?
And this is no.
That's kind of like the base of your makeup. We're gonna learn all this kind of stuff.
Okay. Touch Glorious Face
Primer.
Primer.
Getting your face ready for the makeup.
Wait. Makeup. See you inside. Makeup.
Well, show them over there, man.
Makeup.
Got some brushes there.
Some brushes.
What is that? Mascara. Ooh.
What type is epic?
Mood Struck Epic Mascara. Interesting.
Waterproof black mascara.
Ooh, more mascara. All kinds. What else is in there?
Sparkling splash.
Ooh, how do you feel about having your own makeup?
Amazing.
Okay, now here's the great thing about this. You know what the great thing is?
What?
Now, because you are doing your own makeup brand, you can now, we're gonna work on selling and teaching people how to put up their own makeup. So then on your channel, you can do makeup tutorials, which is what we're gonna do. And then you can say, hey, if you like this Splash Liquid Mood Struck Lipstick Rouge, you can get it from Cordelia right here on Cordelia Does It All. That's kind of cool, huh? Nice. What else do you have in there?
Mood Stress Esteem Lash
Serum. Ooh, serum.
What is that?
That's a serum pour les cils. I don't speak French, so that's close I get. Okay, what else is in there?
The next thing that's in here is Moonstruck
Precision Dip and Draw Eyeliner.
Ooh.
Whoa, eyeliner. Are you ready for all this?
I am super.
I don't know, man. You're just 7. I don't think you're ready for all this. Well, you think other 7-year-olds will like seeing you do makeup tutorials?
Yeah.
You think they will? And you can show them how to do some lip gloss stuff? Nice. Lucrative lip gloss. Okay. Like, dig it. Good lip gloss. Lucrative. Ooh, nice. I like it. What is that?
It's unique.
Unique. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. Let's see what's in there. Looks like chocolate. No? Is it chocolate?
No.
She goes, no, it's not chocolate. Let's see if you open this way. Ooh, oh, those are spaces for, it looks like some other kind of makeup you put in there. Let's see what else is in there.
Okay.
Ooh, rings. Oh, that's just dry silk gel. Anything else in there?
Yes, there is.
Okay, what else is in there? Whoa! All kinds of things here. Splurge, let's see. Splurge Unique. We're gonna open this up here. Cream shadow. Oh, those are the things that go in there.
Yes,
These go in here.
Can I put them in now?
Yeah, you can do that right now while I'm opening this.
Okay.
You put them right in there, dude. So let's figure this out. This is gonna be fun.
It's gonna be.
It's gonna be a fun channel. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching and joining us. This is our first video. This is cream shadow. So we're gonna be learning and talking makeup together. Right, as father and daughter. And then you're gonna show them, right? That'll be cool.
Isn't that so sparkly?
Sparkly.
And just
So let's put them in there, and then we're gonna let you guys go. So this is Cordelia Does It All's channel. We want to thank you guys so much for joining us. If you like and you want to see makeup tutorials that we're gonna do, right? Makeup tutorials with Unique. You're gonna want to subscribe. Hit the like button. If you like seeing music videos, right?
Yeah.
If you like seeing gaming videos. If you just want to see lifestyle stuff with Cordelia walking around saying, hey, then you're going to want to subscribe. This is only video number 1 where we're doing amazing makeup tutorials. Yes, right now we're doing makeup unboxing, but eventually we'll be doing tutorials. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you smash that like button if you want to see some more makeup stuff by Cordelia herself, with a little guidance from myself. If you want to see fun stuff in life, right?
Right.
Then this is the channel for you. We look forward to seeing you guys in the future. Can you tell them to smash the like button? Tell them.
Smash that like button.
Yes, and
subscribe.
And don't forget to hit the little notification.
Button. Oh no, you're right. Yeah.
Notification bell. Alright, we'll see you guys next time.